From the west coast to the east, all over the globe. Welcome to Supah TV. Subscribe, enjoy the show.
Why are we listening to what influencers do to stay healthy? Betty White, tell me your secrets to iconic immortality.
I'll be honest, I don't want to live as long as Betty White.
Dude, she turned 99.
99,
today.
yeah. And of course, Hope's in here. What a fucking little rat. Get off my map.
Lieutenant Les McBurney from the fire department.
Les McBurney?
Les McBurney. Like, shit you not. It's a picture from a news report.
Alright, I'm in lobby now, sorry.
Mustache.
You tried. No,
I
you
like your
tried, Hope.
Karasa.
I'm blatantly waiting until I see you going away.
I don't. You're not getting the sign of bonus.
Oh, server connection lost. Let's go. Damn, even Tarkov was trolling you, Hope. You didn't have a chance to stream snipe us. Oh, it just happened to me. It says my character's still in raid, too.
Yeah, I'm
Weird.
loading loot.
Okay, you're gonna be waiting for me. Oh, so random. Why did it disconnect from server?
It wouldn't even be waiting for you, because we're still waiting for me.
Good point.
Now we get your swamp spawn.
Yeah, kinda. Oh, we get his swamp
no,
spawn.
we
No, we
didn't.
don't.
No, we didn't.
We're over at resort, so let's go do our shit, I guess.
Oh shit.
Let's go die, boys. Not here for a long time, here for a good time. Can we not group up?
I'm gonna have to unlock Wrekt.
Ledex isn't up there.
Where is it?
This
Oh,
one's
we're
on
in
second floor?
east.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Forgot we went up east. I'm used to going up west.
I'm gonna go down to
do
graphics
we
card
need down
spawn
here?
now.
I don't know where it is. What room is it in?
Graphics card spawn? All the way at the end.
Someone pick up that gas can I threw in front of
I'm
you
at
guys?
marked. I'm at other stairs. Unlocking.
What room number is it?
326, I think. 328, excuse me. Nothing.
East 328. To remember.
It's also a red key card spawn.
Really?
Yeah. Base, what's cracking, bro?
Ooh, ophthalmoscope in my butt.
I don't have room for that handguard if you want it. Red key card spawns right there on that newspaper.
Alright.
And I'm pretty sure our mission's on the other side, right?
I don't have a mission. You
What room are we in? Like we're in what, west or east?
do. We're in east.
Did you guys go up?
No, we went down.
I'm
We're
on
on
second.
third floor. We're roof.
Oh, were we really on third?
Yeah,
I'm not good at the resort.
I know.
Are you still looking up the thing?
Yeah, I'm looking right now. Hold on.
East. It's West 03.
West and we're in
I
east.
remember.
Okay, so we have to go the
We're
other
in
side.
east,
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this side.
So do you want to go down through admin or how do you guys want to go?
I don't care. You're the brains of this operation.
Just cross the sky bridge,
You go
dog.
sky bridge, you can plant. Yeah.
Can't plant it from this guy.
No, you drop down right there through the sky bridge. You know.
No.
Okay, I'll show you.
Just point out to me.
Did you bring your planters?
Yeah.
Markers?
The thing you have to mark is literally right below sky bridge.
Yeah.
Where's the...
Load, you shoot out this window right here on the left and drop down right here.
Alright.
Fuck it up my butthole.
Broke my legs.
Oh, that is unfortunate.
I'm pretty sure I hear people.
Where?
End of the hall.
Yeah, I hear him. Someone jumping third or first.
Who's up?
Locking.
Okay. Drop down the hole.
Yeah, I saw him. I shot him.
The scav. This Raiders. He's a Granada.
No, we're fighting a PMC right now.
Yeah, we are fighting PMCs.
Well, be careful on first.
Supah, are you in this room still?
Yeah.
Coming in from the stairs. What floor are you guys on?
Second.
Second. He's in second by the front stairs, I'm pretty sure.
Someone's to our left, too.
One down.
I just opened the door. Gabe, I think he's above.
Okay, I'm gonna rethink the other thing. I don't know what's
Yeah.
the-
Now you know my angle. Yeah, now you know my angle. I hear him on my right, Gabe. Logan, is that
Someone's
you moving?
above. There's two above.
Yeah, I think there's one on
You
our
want me to go to the
floor.
other end and push?
I mean, you could try.
I don't know where you are, so I can't really say yes or no.
I'm
You
right
need to
below
push
you.
up the stairs is where you need to go up.
I just don't know. You said he was on the stairs. I don't know which stairs. There's two of them.
The front, like the back. If you're
The back,
considering the
okay.
helicopter side front, the back side.
Yep.
And then the other one's looking down the hole.
I'm pushing up the back stairs now.
I also hear something to my left still.
I'm pretty sure that's the one up top.
I don't know. I feel like he's in one of these rooms or something.
No, because I shot at him. He pushed to the right, for sure.
Yeah, but I shot the one who
I hear him
dropped
moving.
down.
I hear him moving. Chill. Yep. You're on the stairs?
No,
No.
Oh, I just had a shot at him.
that's what we're
Coming
telling
down
you.
the stairs. Just making sure, man, before I shoot you.
Me?
They threw a nade down at me.
Gabe, you should try to push to the other stairs.
Where are the other stairs?
Past the hole on the left. No, not that there. You gotta run under him.
One of them's moving above me on wood.
That's me on wood. Me on
I'm
wood.
at the other stairs.
Ooh, I'm taking shots from admin.
Admin
Fuck.
now? What the fuck?
Yep. Oh, man.
I don't know exactly.
I had to pull back.
Admin second floor.
Son of a bitch.
Kill the guy on admin second floor.
They're throwing
I
nades
just-
at me now.
That was at me.
I threw a nade at them too, and they
Okay.
ran away.
I'm
still
pretty sure I
sniping
killed the guy at admin. I hit him with my Mosin. I didn't check to look.
Okay.
Alright, well, I'm watching the stairs from the other room.
What floor are you on, Lopi?
First floor.
You need to push up those stairs.
They
You-
have me, as soon as I come up the
I
stairs,
I
they're
know,
walking, they
but
shot me.
I know.
Okay.
Gabe is on the other stairs though. The goal is here to pinch him.
He's pinched, but he's just gonna shoot me as soon as it comes into sight.
All right, I'll make a move. I got the
You know what
pistol.
I'm saying? Like I can fire some rounds at him.
Fuck, is that you shooting?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's close by the hole, right over top the hole.
Lopey, come back me up. I'm pushing up. Lopey, push. I'm up. I'm
Hit
up.
me again.
Got one of them.
I killed one.
There's
I killed
three.
One.
There's three. That's why. Fucked up another one. I don't know if I killed him.
Who's by the big glass window?
Me on the left. Me on the left. He's on the right.
They're nading at me.
Killed one.
I'm on second.
Closing a door. I gotta reload a
Is
gun.
anyone all the way down by the
No,
pool
no, that's
table?
him. That's him.
I'm on second, pushing to hole in the floor. I'm below hole in the floor.
Okay, okay. I killed the guy over top of
I'm
it.
pretty sure I killed two so far. There's
The
one
guy's
left.
all the way down by
There's one
in
left.
the couch room by the pool table.
Nice shots. Thanks, base.
I'm fucked up. I gotta heal.
I'm down to like fucking less than
You can
one
move
mag
up
in my
on this
F7.
guy,
Yep, this is
slowly.
me right here.
One of you just opened the door.
Yep, that's me right here. I said.
Yeah, yeah. Behind us, behind us, behind us.
Got one more in here. I closed the door.
I'm dead. You got me. It's at the elbow.
I killed him, I killed him.
That's it? No?
I don't know, I'm
Okay,
at 50
okay.
HP.
Yep, yep, yep. I hear you.
He ran in my room and I dropped him. Jesus,
Yeah, I
my
hear you
thorax
healing.
looks like
I'm
big
pretty
feet.
fucked up too. Fuck yeah. Sorry, fucking Loop.
Hey, man.
There's a fuckload of people here. Can you pop a pane real quick so I can hear?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Tell me you had some food or drink on you, bro.
Running D6.
I hear one creeping, I think, by the stairs. Yep, he's healing too. Gabe, I think by the stairs that you came in from.
Okay, I'm gonna heal myself.
Yeah, you're good, you're good.
My legs.
I still have a black arm, but
Yeah, 2 black arms.
okay. All my primaries are still okay. I have this guy's SA-58 in full auto, but he's running like TPZ.
What the fuck is wrong with him?
I don't know. He had a trooper too. I'm fucking like, what the fuck, dude?
Oh my god. His like friend gave him the kit and he's like, just bring ammo, bro.
His trooper's better than my shit. I'm gonna swap gear real quick.
Hear creeping though?
Huh?
You for sure hear creeping?
I'm pretty sure I heard him healing, dude. It's hard to say with you fucking
Alright,
dying
I'm gonna
over
close
there.
this door. I'm gonna close this door.
Yep, you hear it?
I mean, I hear shooting.
That's right outside. I don't know if that's our guy though, but yeah, I get what you're saying.
That's the guy who shot me in the back, I think. Because this guy who ran in here had an 8R. He's pushing, he's pushing. It's to my right.
My
outside
door's
the door.
closed.
Same.
Shit. You said he's on the right?
Yeah. Like right out my door to the right. I'm in the first room.
That was his step, not mine.
That was my step.
Oh. I hear him.
I hear him pivoting.
Should we open our doors?
We could.
Let's
Just
do
push him.
Yeah, let's do this.
Got him.
Attaboy, let's go. Fuck yeah.
I think that was one of their teammates too, because he looked just like him.
So who was shooting from 3-story? On the other side. The window's broken. I'm unlocking LEDX. Fucking hand drill, let's go.
It's lit.
I wonder if I killed that guy. Guy over by pool table that was shooting at us earlier is not there anymore, but I can't see a body. He might have fell behind sandbags, or I just didn't kill him. I'm running SNB, so odds are I didn't kill him.
Do you have an extra, like, one CMS use?
I will after this, yeah. I still have to use mine. Do you have any fucking water?
No, that's what we need to find. Because I'm low on both.
I
as
popped so
well.
much pains for those fights. Alright. Thanks, game. Great fucking loot here today. And there was a firefight. I'm coming back out. Hey, and was this the room with the view? With the dead body in it? Did I get that mission done? No. Is that you? Is that Lopi I think you're on? You took my dog tag? Or no, this is that guy.
You can get the diary from the room review.
Is that what it is? Okay. Oh yeah, it's like on the windowsill, right?
I think it's in the drawer.
Two tags right here on this guy.
Are they mine?
Yeah, they're both yours.
Oh, LEDX is dropping even more.
I'm gonna put it in this guy's pockets.
Okay.
You killed them both with the 5.7. I thought I got one of them, but you murked him.
Oh, vitality.
Okay, this guy had the MP5
Which one?
and a black. The one I killed last.
And this guy had like an 8R, I take it? He had a Stanad mag?
Yeah, this guy. Yeah, I took this guy's 8R. All right, this guy's got Aquamarine, so
Okay. I won't drink all of it. There.
yeah, no.
Ooh, I'm gonna take that black rock too. I'll use that.
Oh, he had a serve kit. Let's go.
There you go. And I'll take that IFAC and that hemo.
There's a water filter in my body.
Ooh, AP in his fucking black rock too.
AP what?
AP 6?
6?
Yeah. Do you want it since you're running the MP?
I'm not running the MP.
Oh, what'd you do with it then?
Put it in my backpack. It's pretty stock. All it has is the Osprey on it.
Gotcha.
But
Alright, did we stash Lopi?
I don't know where he died.
Top
But if you want, you can take a sip of this Aquamarine.
Yeah.
Just hit it one more
Which
time.
one's you, Lopi?
top of the stairs, around the corner.
This one?
No, I killed this one. But
Oh,
here's the Aqua.
This has gotta be Lopi then. What do you
No, I
like,
killed this.
AK
You
ammo?
killed this guy. No, this is not Loki either. That is not Loki.
Alright. Where's that Aquamarine?
Right here.
Your laser's on your back, by the way.
Okay.
Thank God.
Did any of these guys have meds?
Should be. in
There was a spare IFAC on this guy right here. I don't know about.
We have to find Lopi.
I don't know where Loki is. Yeah.
The stairs around the corner.
Yeah, on second floor.
Oh, that's why. Okay, we're on third.
Solo. Where the guy with the MP was. The MPs would kill me.
Right here. Here's Loki. You should step to the side, Gabe.
Can't very. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, at least a bit, dude.
Yeah, I get what you're saying now.
Okay, I gotta go get that diary. I forgot. Right.
Yeah. I hear other steps up there. Unless that's just weird audio glitch.
I wouldn't put it past this game, so.
Yeah, I'm
creep
pretty
walking
sure it's
now?
just because you were behind me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
It's what room is it again, Lopi?
303. It's next to
I stashed your AKM.
Thanks, pal. There was a water filter name.
Got it. Oh, I just had to come in here, huh? Where?
No, there
Nope.
should be a diary
gotta
in like
grab
the
the
drawer.
Yeah, in the bottom drawer. Yep, I see it. There we go. Cool. Alright, let's roll.
Higher steps.
Me running. Oh.
Oh,
Nope,
you're third?
nope. I hear him.
You're not third?
I am third. I hear the steps somewhere else. On
Were
wood?
you by hole in the floor?
Yeah. That's me above you.
Okay. I'm coming back up the steps. He's to my left.
I hear him on wood.
I'm at the steps I came up the first time.
Okay. He's jumping. Is that him on barbed wire?
Yeah, he's in. He's in here somewhere to my left. My stairway's clear. He's
Are
like
you-
towards.
Are you up on third now?
Yeah, I'm up on third by this.
Okay.
Like at the top of the staircase is where I am.
Yeah. Well, he can't come through that way on third. So that might be why he's jumping. He might be trying to. I hear him moving now.
Peek it. I think he was trying to. Oh, I see him. He just went back down the staircase.
Watch the hole in the floor. He's gonna have to come that way if he wants to come this way to third. I'm watching the hole in the floor over here by me. You
He's
watch
back
that
on
hole.
third, I think.
Well, he can't come to you through that way.
Yeah.
So if you just watch the hole,
That's what I'm watching.
if you prone, you can get a long range down that hole.
He's coming down it.
Yep, told you.
He just dipped into a room.
Okay. The moment I hear you engage, I'm gonna drop down this hole and push.
Okay. Push into one of the rooms on the left side. Can he come around the hole in the floor from there?
What do you mean? No, he has to jump over barbed wire to get anywhere.
He's dead.
Told you. Let's go. I'm down.
Yeah, I'm down. Owie! I don't know how to get over this shit, man.
The sprint jump over here, right here. Owie!
It hurted.
I know, you landed right in it.
You can have this 8R if you want, but it's just it's pretty shit.
Dude, this guy's SA58 is raw with no fucking rail. Like, it doesn't have the dust cover.
He probably got it off the scabbard.
What ammo is he running in that 8R?
I don't even know. Probably 5.6 A1 or
Yeah,
something.
hold on.
Uh,
You do have his mag. Let's check. Hold on. 5.6
Yeah, I
A1.
already
Yep,
dropped
5.6 A1.
This guy had a nade for me.
I just want his mag, probably, to be honest. I'll keep the SA. Coming back to you now. Oh, you know what? Dude, I lied. He does have a rail. He has a scope rail. So instead of taking the scope off, he took off the entire rail. For his SA58, and I ditched it in my rig. I gotta go back to third.
Why would he do
Ooh,
that?
nice ulak, bro. Take that ulak.
Oh. Don't mind if I do.
Yeah.
I didn't see
Apple
it there.
juice. I'm gonna take 20 out of 20 or 20 out of 40.
You can take the M1 if you really wanted. I'd be really heavy.
Actually, yeah, I'll do it. I'll just swap for the Black Rock. I have a Black Rock on this that I'll swap for real quick if you want to do it that way.
Yeah. Just let me know when you drop it.
Yeah, hold on. Dude, I'm gonna be so fucking fat now. I gotta dump this ammo. Give me a sec. My room for all this shit.
SKS is goated though.
Oh fuck yeah, BP is lit. Did SteamYall fix drop down sounds? No, vertical audio is still dog shit. I don't run Steam audio. I have it turned off. Alright, dropped Blackrock. Oh, okay.
Oh, someone's breaking windows.
And your laser and flashlight are on in the back.
.366 APs. This was a single fire gun with a drum mag in it.
When you got a big peen, you know?
Hey, look. Even
Should
though
we
you're
just get
single
out?
fire, you still don't want to run out.
Alright, let's start heading out, yeah?
Yeah, I don't want to fight that player scab who just showed up.
Me neither. Let's go.
Hell of a player scab.
This motherfucker. It's Raiders earlier.
Oh, I've never heard regular scabs yell Granada that much.
That's right.
Granada means something else. Like there's Granada and then like Granada, and like they mean two different things in Russian.
Listen, in this game, they mean one thing. Get the
No,
fuck
no,
out
no,
of
no,
here.
no, no. I watched the scab voice line video, and it literally was like the Granada line, and it meant something else for the scab.
Well, either whatever
Heavy
it is,
fire.
they don't yell it that
Why
much.
not?
Unless the Raiders. Raiders yell it like fucking all
Alright,
over.
could you see
when
them even randomly
Raiders yell it,
contact
they
you?
actually mean grenade. But the scabs have a slightly different word that sounds like grenade.
Think I can understand the difference?
No, I don't. But it doesn't mean grenade.
I don't give a fuck what it means. They still
It's
yell
lit.
it.
It's lit?
Yeah,
Hey, it's lit.
shit's lit, fam. See that box right in
Bad
front of
boy.
the dumpster on the left?
Yeah.
It's a key spawn.
I don't see a key. I needed scavs on Shoreline with suppressed weapons, not PMCs.
Good, because you didn't get any PMCs.
Oh yeah, none at all.
Yeah,
Should have went downstairs and got that Raider.
yeah, fucking idiot. The one player scav shows up. No, let's leave. I'm scared of this guy.
That was not a player scav. They started chucking nades as soon as they got in there.
I was downstairs farming scabs. And they push up the stairs.
I just hope that asshole didn't find my M2 rig.
That scab.
Oh, why'd you go in with a pistol and a Mosin? Pro strat when you're heavy, finish running. It'll help give you that little extra XP of leveling.
Scrank. Bip, 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 bip.
Do you guys eat the white part on brie or no?
I don't eat brie enough. tell you.
There's one dog tag I was missing. I got 3.
I got 3, but I didn't have any of your dog tags.
Oh, my dog tag.
Right? I killed Opie. 563 damage.
Two headshots,
Got a boy.
3 PMC kills.
How'd you like that little position on the hole? It was like, watch this guy come up to you.
I mean, I believe you 100%, and
Yeah.
it paid off.
I know Shoreline, man. Dude,
Just didn't know what he
when
was
we pushed
doing,
up
bro.
there and it was a 4-man, I was like, oh fuck, they're just camped up here. You and me are like, all right, there's like 2, maybe 3, because we keep hearing one on your left, you know? Fucking go up there, all 4 of them are just holding that
Making me
hallway,
push,
dude.
you
I was
know,
like,
the
what
guy
the
fucking
fuck?
holding the stairs waiting for me. You're like, no, you gotta push. I'm
You
like,
did.
I
Well, as soon as I heard him push, I pushed, and then
was like, I can shoot some shots up there, maybe.
Yeah, that
Every
first
time
guy who was standing over the hole.
that
Every
shit
time I
was
went near the
crazy,
stairs,
dude.
they hit me.
I came up behind one of them because he was watching the doorway, and I don't think he realized that the other, like, the entrance by the stairs right there connects to that room. So I just went on the patio, walked up behind him, and killed him. I was like, oh.
The first guy watching the hole, like, we double peeked him, and the man just dropped.
Dude, that guy was, he just landed right in front of us. I was like, oh shit. I just shot him as many times as I could, and then he moved. I was like, fuck me. That was the kidded guy of the group for sure.
Twice I hesitated because I didn't want to kill you guys.
I'm gonna be honest. I didn't know who was up there. I was just shooting the people who were shooting.
I
at me.
definitely played it like I was like trusting that we didn't push like past each other, so I was like, all right, this should
Yeah.
work.
Yeah, I have all my tags in one of Lopi's tags.
Nice. I was missing a tag. Damn, there was more. That was fucking fun.
It's fun when you win.
Yeah, but it was a good fight either way. It was just enjoyable.
Yeah, that's true.
Like it wasn't like getting one tap from nowhere. Oh, dude, you know what that last tag would be then?
What?
The guy in
who dropped
admin.
with
The guy in admin. I shot.
Whoa.
That's what I just realized.
Oh,
Oh my
We
god.
should have checked it.
Oh, you were like, he's shooting me in the back. Bink. That's crazy. I just realized. I was like, wait a minute. That's where it was.
Yeah, as soon as you said I just realized, I
Yeah.
was like, oh.
Oh, yeah, there was that guy. Fuck yeah, let's go. That was fucking lit.
it was lit, fam. So lit.
Damn, that means I hit that shot.
I was player scabbing with my friends, and this PMC started coming down the hallway, and I was like, oh, there's a PMC down there, and like took a pot shot at him. And then my friend's just looking at me, and I'm like, dude, run. And he's like, how did you just kill him? And I was like, what? Killed that man with the blue slug from all the way down the hallway.
Really?
One
Nice.
tap.
That guy's so pissed.
He's got to see player scab killed him one tap.
Look at this channel. See the raid you missed. If it's a bunch of rat loot, we just had way more fun than you did.